What's up, guys? I'm Jason, this is Freebird Garage, and we are back for another video. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing the S&S carb put together. It's been all disassembled. I got some new parts, old parts, shined up parts, and I got parts that have been sitting in a time capsule of liquid for the past 6 months. Let's get this thing open, check it out, and get this carb put together. The shakedown before we get this carb together. My original carb is the 1988 Klein butterfly carb. That was pretty much standard from 1976 all the way up to 1989, and then in 1990 they switched to CV carb, the updated vacuum style pump on there for all the Harleys all the way up until mid, I think 2003, right around there. They changed it out there, probably wrong in that last little bit of dates, but generally all that generation they ran that new style, and then the older one, 76 to 89. Now in 1990, S&S came out with the Super E. They had all the different ones prior to it, A, B, C, and D, but this is the Super E. I already have this thing torn apart. It's been sitting apart for quite some time, many months, and I'm just getting now to actually getting this thing fully assembled. It's going back and forth on different kits to be able to get this assembled. They make some knockoff kits on eBay that are like $10, $12, $15, and they're all these different Japanese, Chinese makes and models. I didn't really want to go that way. I wanted to have the original gaskets, everything put back together on this, and I went with their master kit, and the master kit is a 112923, and this pretty much gives you everything and an updated, swivel on here for your overflow. So we're gonna run with that. We're gonna switch out the old one. This carb came off a shovel head. I got this at a swap meet for a pretty good deal. Real low enough to where the rebuild kit made sense. And I also have all of my old parts that have been basking in this time capsule of carb cleaner for the last however 4 or 5, 6 months I've been sitting on it. I meant to go back into it, just not get around to actually doing this. So now we're doing it. All right, so let's get everything opened up and let's get this carb put together. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with actually the body here. We're gonna get this assembled. These are parts that I already need to pull out of this old basket. Let's see here. It's been sitting away for quite some time. Throw that in there. And we're gonna throw a little Loctite on the end before we get that nut on there. Okay, good there. Throw our lock washer on there. We're gonna throw our bolt on there. Lock it down. Okay, good there. You're gonna throw some assembly lube before we get this into the carb. Alright, so we're going to slide the shaft into the body. Get this spring situated here. Feels pretty good. Good start. Okay. Alright, we're going to throw together our throttle actuator. So we're going to install our throttle plate here, brand new. These are beveled, got to make sure they go the right way. Beveled in goes this way and the beveled out goes that way for top and bottom. So we got to slide this in to the shaft here. All right, we got our plate in. We're going to throw some Loctite on the bolts here. Install our jets. All right, idle air mixture screw, brand new. just backed off a little bit. Okay, good there. Throw the choke in. You know, it's not really called a choke on the S&S carb. Good there. Switching gears, doing the bottom bowl now. Gonna assemble this. We got a couple O-rings we gotta put on here. This one first. Okay, good there. Put the new swivel on there. Comes with the kit. Reuse drain plug, new O-ring. Float going in with the needle. Alright, so what we're doing, actually, instead of get this on, make it a little bit easier, is get the gasket, new gasket going on here, and then we'll do the diaphragm on there. Alright, so now we'll try and get this diaphragm on. Bam! There it is, all built and brand new, all polished up. I love how that came out. It will match the bike perfectly. I gotta track down some gaskets that are particular to this intake manifold that goes with this. I thought I had them in my kit, but they don't come with them. And if you don't use them, you have leaks or prone to have leaks with it. So we're gonna go over that next and get this top end finally buttoned up. But for now, guys, that about wraps me on this one. I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!